Adding subsections to subtasks in Notion is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want to add subsections within subtasks. If you haven't already, create a database to manage your subtasks. Each subtask will be represented as a separate entry in this database. Customize the properties of your subtask database based on your needs. Typical properties may include title, description, due date, assignee, status, etc. Click on the plus button within the subtask description or notes field. Select Database and choose the subtask database you created earlier. Within the subtask database, create different views to represent subsections. For example, you could use filters or groupings to organize subtasks by priority, status, or category. Each view will act as a subsection within the subtask, providing a structured way to manage related tasks. Start adding subtasks to your main task or project. Each subtask will have its inline database view, allowing you to categorize and manage them effectively. Customize each subsection view to display relevant information based on the properties of your subtask database. You can adjust filters, sorting, and grouping options to tailor the subsections to your workflow. As you work on your project, update and manage subtasks directly within their respective subsections. You can modify properties, mark tasks as complete, or reorganize them as needed.